British intelligence said on November 17 that the Russian military has begun deploying the A-50U airborne early warning and control aircraft, nicknamed Flying Radar, to indicate targets for the S-400 air defense system in the conflict in Eastern Europe. The Beriev A-50U is a modernized version of the A-50 built by the Beriev Aeronautical Scientific Complex on the basis of the Soviet Il-76 transport aircraft. Developed to replace the Tupolev Tu-126 Moss, the A-50 first flew in 1978 and entered service in 1985. According to a report from TASS News Agency, the joint operation of the A-50 and S-400 is worth considering. The report confirmed that the S-400 system fired from a maximum distance at aerial targets around 1 km in altitude using new anti-aircraft guided missile warheads. It is noteworthy that the 40N6, the longest range missile of the S-400, has a declared target destruction range of 380 km. Unlike its counterpart 48N6, which in the 48N6 DM variant has a target engagement range of up to 250 km. The 40N6 employ a combined active and semi-active guidance system rather than a radio command guidance system. Furthermore, Russian authorities affirm that the A-50U radar surveillance aircraft has been adapted to designate airborne targets to 40N6 missiles deployed from the S-400. In all likelihood, the execution of this targeting mechanism follows a particular algorithm. The A-50U aircraft identifies the surface area of the target, followed by the 40N6 missiles self-locking onto the target. The A-50 aircraft is capable of issuing target guidance on a target within its declared detection range of up to 400 km, and the 40N6 is designed to fly towards such targets. According to their statement, the Russian Federation began using the 40N6 missile as early as 2018. However, it wasn't until 2020 that they started delivering them to the Russian army. Plans have been announced to deliver approximately 1,000 such missiles by 2027. With a two-stage system, the missile boasts a launch weight of 1,900 kg, including a 180 kg warhead capable of affecting an area within a 300-meter radius. The 40N6 missile is a Russian long-range surface-to-air missile designed to be launched from ground-based air defense systems, such as the S-400 Triumph. Its technical characteristics include a length of approximately 7.5 meters and a diameter of about 0.5 meters. The missile weighs around 1,800 kilograms and is powered by a solid-fuel rocket motor. The operational range of the 40N6 missile is up to 400 kilometers, allows it to engage targets at long distances, making it suitable for defending large areas or strategic targets. The missile's range is achieved through its powerful rocket motor and efficient aerodynamic design. It is capable of engaging both high-altitude and low-altitude targets, including aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. The 40N6 missile is equipped with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead, which is designed to detonate near the target and produce a lethal cloud of shrapnel. The warhead's explosive power and fragmentation pattern are optimized to maximize the probability of target destruction.